Hello and welcome to a new Ring My Barber tutorial. This video will explain the service hours or hours of operation. We will show you how to adjust the start and end daily schedule, add time for lunch, and open certain days you typically are closed. Navigate to the menu, then Work Settings, and tap on Service Hours. A quick view of this screen shows your current schedule, the days you are on or off including your breaks, the services that are not available on open days, and exceptions, if you have any. Each day will let you turn it on or off from Monday to Sunday. Then you can adjust the start and end for each particular day. Blockout hours is for setting a lunch break, or just the time you need to relax during the day. You can customize the interval for each day. If some of your services are unavailable on a specific day, you do not offer them, or, by mistake, you have them off that day, it will show as a note. You can tap on it and see the details, with the option to activate them or not. Finally, we added the functionality to open specific dates for your closed days. Tap the button Exceptions and choose from the calendar. After you save, just the date or dates selected will become available for your clients to schedule appointments, even if the weekday remains off. Also, you can adjust the hours by clicking the clock icon associated with each day. We hope you enjoyed this video, and that you discovered a few tricks that can be helpful in setting your schedule. For questions, please tap the chat icon on your mobile app and send us a message. We will be happy to assist.